Okay. Let's go. Get your paddle. So, we will discuss first the proper position, proper setup. Proper setup, okay? Stance, notice, wide. Wide stance, racket, here, a little bit going to forward, okay? Para ready for backhand, then forehand. So we do first the dink, okay? Dink, okay? Dink. You push only, push. Good. Go. Beyond the body zone. Kailangan we need to push, okay? Ready. Push. Push. Good. Side. Push. Look at your feet. You need to be side. Look at me. Side. Good. 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 I can volley that. Okay, I can volley. Okay, you see the difference? When you volley outside the line, okay? You can volley, you can reach, okay? If not, let it bounce and then dink, okay? Dink. Okay, good. No, you cannot volley like that. That's violation. You step inside, okay? When you volley, you reach, and then don't touch, okay? Don't step on the green, the kitchen, okay? The kitchen zone. Yeah, you can do that. Good. Next. Again, follow through. Arms, follow through. Follow through. Good. Dink muna, dink. See that? Continue. Proper stance muna. Practice the stance. Stance. Bend. You need to bend. Bend. Good. Side. Okay. Side. Okay. You cannot volley inside the green. Okay. Do not step on the kitchen. When you volley, reach. Okay. Ready. Follow through. You cannot step also. That's also violation. The momentum. Okay. When you do the volley, even you already volley, then you step inside. That's also violation. Okay. The momentum. Bawal din yun. That's wrong. That's fault. Okay. Again, look at your paddle. The position of your paddle. Follow through. Follow through. Good. Follow through. Back on the position. Side. Balik. What's the problem? Because of your footwork. Look at your footwork. Look at the footwork. Open stance. Open stance wide. Yan. Bend. Go bend. Good. Okay, you can do that. Good. Dink. See? You see, because I did not turn properly, sideways. Again. Dink. Practice, you dink outside the body zone. Good. 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 Nice one. Go, continue. Let's do it. Proper stance. Bend. Go. Look at your feet. Push only, push, push. See, that's violation. That's why proper balance is very important. Open. You see the stance? Dapat naka-ready rin yung naka-ready racket. In case, ready. I can do that. I can step forward. Okay. Good. Good. Go back immediately after you dink. Problem with your feet. Problem with your stance. Ready. Hindi ka pwede nakatayo lang. Okay? Don't just stand. Ready. Position. Good. 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 You can volley that. Good. Up. That's good. Again. Good. I can reach. Di ba? Good. I can reach that. I can smash. Look at it if it's too high. If it's too high, I can smash it. Okay? Ready? Tama lang above the net. Konti lang above the net. Maybe 1 foot like this. Okay? Above the net. That's your target. Oh, ready. Oh, see? Again. Good. 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 That's it. Oh. Push, cool. You need a little bit push. Okay? Ready. Good. Good. Up. Very good. Good. Side. Good. Side. Go back. Go back outside. Oh, don't. No, that's fault. That's fault. You cannot step forward the volley zone. Non-volley zone. The kitchen, okay? When you dink, when you volley, see teacher outside the lane. Okay? Go. Ready. Oh, we go volley. Do volley. Volley. Oh. Good, volley. Good, volley. Oh, outside. Okay, volley. Go. Good. Control. Good. You can do the reset. Oh, volley. Oh. You can do the reset if you think you cannot do the volley. Oh. Again. Oh, volley. Proper stance. Ready stance. Oh. Good. 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 Oh, bawal yun, bawal. Good. Oh. Oh. Oh, reset. Oh. Ready. Above. Oh. Aim, aim. Aim on the target. Again. Aim on the target. Ready. Oh. When you smash here. Oh. Okay? Aim. Then, follow through. Follow through. Oh, ready. Oh, follow through. Good. Follow through, ha. Look at your feet. Position. Okay? You see that? That's why you adjust. Okay? Again. Smash. Follow through. Good. Again. Smash. See that? I'm ready. That's good. Ready. Aim on the target. Ready. Proper. See that? Good. Ready. Go. Good. Ready. Bend. Good. Smash. Ready your hand. Ready your hand. Good. Ready. Backhand. Good. Ready. Backhand. Good. Backhand. Good. Now, do the proper serving. Oh. When we do the serving, side, your weight at the back, impact point, front, tide level, okay? Then, brush up. Okay? Again. Wrist, okay? Paddle is below the wrist. Let the bounce, tide level, and then impact, brush up. Okay, ready? Okay? Again. Paddle down, impact point, brush up. Look at this. Look at it. Okay? When you hit the ball, okay? Brush up. Okay? Look at the spin. Again. Paddle down. Impact point in front. Look at the impact. Okay? Neutral. Okay? You see that? The paddle is on the neutral. Then brush up. Go do it. Slowly. Side. Put your weight at the back. Okay? Aim. Brush up. Go. Follow through. Aim. Good. One more. Ready. Look at your grip. Ready. Paddle down. Go. Very good. Good. Diagonal. You serve diagonal. There. Here. You serve here. Target. Ready. Good. Next. Follow through, ha? Follow through. Put the weight at the back. No, wrong court. This is your target. Side. Follow through. Good. Again. Get a ball, get a ball. Baseline. Look at your target point. Target. Go. Look at the follow through. Impact. Put the weight at the back. Okay? Aim on the target. Impact. Follow through. Okay? Go. Ready. Side. Side. Follow through. Good. Good. Woo! See? That's violation. Ready? Paddle down. Brush up. Go. I want you to put the weight at the back. Okay? Then, impact, follow through. Okay? Point on that position. Ready? Follow through. Brush up. Violation. That's violation. Ready? No. Go down. Beyond. Yes, beyond the line. Okay, so you can run. Ready? Good. Look at your hit. Look at it. Paddle down. Impact point. Follow through. Good. 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 Out. Ready? Follow through. Go. Very good. Go, one more, one more. Bounce. Ready. Good. Very good. Go. Again. Aim on the target. Position, position, power position. Good. Good. Ready. Position. Brush up. You know. See, you're late. Go. Serve. Position. Good. Brush up. Backhand. Good. Good. Nice one, nice one, nice one. Serve again. Position your serve. Master your serve, ha? Put some weight on the back para may power. Yan. Outside. Look at your paddle, the impact. Impact neutral. Lose a little bit your paddle. Yan. Very good. Good. Very good. Nice one. See? Now you have a little bit fast ball. Put the impact. Weight at the back. Go. Good. Very good. Down. Adjust, adjust. Adjust outside. Ready. Good. Ready. Good. Very good. 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 Run. Good. Outside. Good. Nice one. Aim on the target on your smash. You remember the smash? Okay. Time out. Aim on the target. Waist. Good. Very good. Ready. Good. Brush up. Good. You see, you're so excited. Aim on the target. Aim. Yeah. Ready. Position. Put the weight at the back. Push. Very good. Reset. Good. Very good. Go. Continue. Nice one. Let it bounce first, ha? If you are the server, once I return, you need it bounce first, okay? 2 bounce rules, okay? Ready? Foul. Fault. One serve lang ha. Fault na. Score na sa ano na yun? Change possession na yun. Oh, ready? Good. Oh, let it bounce. Let it bounce. Bounce first. Because you are the one who serve eh. That's the rules, right? Remember the rules. If you are the server, once I return, let it bounce. Violation. Go, bounce it. Go, continue. Net, ha? Net violation. The serve cannot touch the, the net. Wala, violation na yun, fault na yun, fault. Change possession na, next server na. No. Go. Fault. Again. Aim on your target. Put the weight at the back. Waist. Waist level, impact in front. Brush up. Follow through. Outside. Look at the follow through. Oh. Follow through. Diba? Alam mo yung follow through. Brush up. Brush up. Follow through. Oh. Go. Position. Weight at the back. Good. Bounce it. Good. Good. Now you can volley after that. Either you volley or hit. Okay? Go. Aim on the target. Position. Good. Bounce it. Position. Late. You cannot just aim. Side, aim, impact, brush up. Go. Ready. Good. Very good. Bounce. Good. Nice one. Nice return. Go. Continue. Other side naman. Other side of service. Other side. Dito, you target the backhand ng kalaban para medyo mahirapan siya. Outside. Target. The same pa rin. The same pa rin yun. Aim on the target. Brush up. The same. Put the weight at the back. Yes. Bounce. No. Where's up? Wrong foot. Wrong racket. Position. Look at your position. Still the same. Brush up. Yeah. Again. Brush up. Follow through. Go. Position. Ready. Yes. Bounce. Good. Good. Nice one. Nice one. One bounce lang yan, ha? Again. Continue. Serve. Serve. Ready. Follow through. Good. Good. Out. Wrong footwork eh. Look at your footwork. Follow through. Ready. Footworks, ha? Again. Follow through. Put the weight at the back. You just drop it, ha? Kung i-drop mo or release. Good. 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 Bounce. Go. Good. Good. Nice one. Nice one. Go. Continue. Ready. Fault. Aim on your target before you serve. Ready. Aim. Position first. Huwag mong madaliin. Don't be in a hurry. Position. Ready. Out. Again. Position. Ay. Ready. Aim. Because your paddle is not correct. Sabi ko, yung impact niya, naka-neutral. Neutral yung paddle angle. The angle of your paddle is in neutral position. Yeah. Good. Bounce it. Good. Good. Volley. Volley. Volley mo. Yung volley mo, mali naman position backhand mo. Go. Position, position. Don't be in a hurry. Ready. Good. Bounce. Good. See? Aim on it. Aim it. Go. Serve properly. Aim. Good. Good. Outside. Serve. Ready. Ready. Good. Bounce it. Good. Good. Ready. Good. Good. Nice one.